Hello everyone, have a good day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Roshan Raj. I'm from Tangkat, Johor. I'm studying at University Malaysia Kelantan. So right now, I'm at Sama-Sama Cuisine restaurant at Muar. Since this restaurant become famous, so let's review the food. Let's go! The entrance of the restaurant is framed by lush greenery with garden-like feel. The tall trees provide a natural canopy across the entryway and inviting guests to step into the atmosphere of the restaurant. Moreover, the lighting, texture, color, and natural feature will stand out in photographs. So let's see guys how this restaurant become viral. So this restaurant become viral from social media, which is from TikTok. So you guys can see here. Here are some reviews of the restaurant by a lot of influencers and TikTokers. These are some evidence on how Sama-Sama Cuisine restaurant become well known, especially by TikTok. So look at the greeny environment guys, the natural environment. So here got fish pond and it's really beautiful, and personally I like the environment. So now let's talk about the dishes that I ordered. So this is nasi lemak rice, this is burger burger, and kopi tak sama. So since these food are well known at Sama-Sama restaurant, so let's try the food. So first of all, let's try the nasi lemak. So the taste for the nasi lemak is not that spicy. The rice and the sambal are so delicious, and personally I like the chicken because it's crispy. Wow, the burger is so big. So because of the burger big, they provide a hand glove. So let's try the food. Look at the burger guys. So the bread are so soft, and those who are burger lovers, don't forget to try this burger. So in this burger set, so they also provide the fries and sauce. So this is the signature for Sama-Sama Cuisine, which is the kopi tak sama, and the kopi beans from especially from Vietnam. Let's try the guys. The coffee is creamy because of the butterscotch, and I really love it personally. Don't worry about the price guys, the price are affordable. For those who are Western lovers, must be tried. Thank you for watching this video guys, and especially thank you for Sama-Sama Cuisine management. Do like and share.